Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix your Facebook Messenger not sending problem. So if you cannot send any message on your Facebook Messenger, how can you fix it or how can you solve it? In this tutorial I'm gonna show that step by step. So don't skip any step and stay watching carefully. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what should you do? Just open your Google Play Store, and after opening your Google Play Store, then search for Messenger apps, and you need to must check out your Messenger is updated or not. Here you can see my Messenger have a option for update, so you need to update your Messenger. After update your Messenger, then let's back, and now you need to go your phone settings. Here you can see this is my phone settings, and now you need to go apps or apps manage option. Here you can see apps or apps manage option, so just open it, and after that you need to go permission option. Here have a option permission, so just open it, and now go again permission, and now you need to find out Facebook Messenger here, and now you need to allow everything like these settings. You need to give allow everything, enable everything you should. And after that, what should you do? Go to manage apps, and then again find out for Facebook Messenger, where if you don't find, just search it Messenger, and then there have option clear data on the bottom right corner. Tap it, clear all data. That's it. Now let's back. And now if you open your Messenger, and now you can send any on message you can send any message from anywhere. Send it like that. It's working perfectly. So guys, in this way you can solve your Messenger not working problem. So hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.